Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. My name is Ben and today we want to take a look at a very interesting price chart. It's the ADA Cardano chart. There's been some news around a potential Cardano ADA ETF. That's interesting and that drove prices very recently. So let's take a look at the chart. Let's go. Okay, we are now on our website, dailymarketupdate.com. You can find the link in the video description. If you register, you can do that completely for free. Then you get access to all of these Elliott Wave updates on our website. They are free, including cryptos, but also stocks, and yeah, tech stocks especially are interesting, probably the S&P 500. So let's take a look at the ADA chart. You can see we also cover other cryptocurrencies, but today it's time for ADA. I would say we take a look at the 2-day chart first. Obviously good for the overall context. Now ADA, as many other cryptocurrencies, has suffered very recently from this sell-off that happened early February. It started end of January, the rapid decline. It actually started already in December, but really the rapid decline, it started really in end of January and then bottomed locally on the 3rd of February. On the long-term chart, of course, that's not so important when exactly we had a local low, but we'll take a look at that on the 4-hour chart in a minute. But yeah, you can clearly see that dip, but so far ADA is still holding a higher low and the expectations are for ADA to continue the move to the upside shortly. $2.51 remains the next key resistance and breakout point. I mean, we talked about that in previous videos. This is still a key level that needs to be broken to the upside in order to unlock prices in the $5.27 plus region. And also price could even go higher. 587, 683 would be like the next upside targets to watch here. Now let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Here you can see that we are tracking a so-called 1-2 setup. Why is this important? Because from an Elliott Wave point of view, a Wave 2 pullback is the time to look for an entry point. We have support in the region between 49 cents and 73 cents. If you watched previous updates or if you follow us on our website, then you know that this was a trading area, a support zone we communicated. The price has already started to move up. I think this move up, which we don't necessarily see, and it's only on a small time frame, but we don't see this move on other cryptocurrency charts to the same degree. So it could be that here the ETF news has been a catalyst. So maybe we push a little higher, but so far we have not yet broken above the February high. So that's the next step here. Hasn't done that. I think that's around 80 cents. Maybe when you watch the video, that's already happened. I would argue that this might be the earliest signal we can get that the next move up has indeed started. At the moment we have seen a decent reaction to the support area, to the trading area, but it is too weak at this stage, this reaction, and the market structure is a little bit uncertain. The move up from that 3rd of February low isn't very clear, so it is possible we get another low as long as it doesn't break below 49 cents or 49.4 cents, which is the 78.6 retracement. We might still get an upside reversal and the start of a third wave rally. Below we have 31 cents as the invalidation point for this bullish 1-2 setup. This is the low from end of last year. And to the upside, the $1.32 level is an absolute key level that needs to be broken. This is the December high, and this is where the entire correction began, not only on the ADA chart, but we see this across the sector. Several altcoins started their corrections back then. It's already been now a couple of months, so it is about time that the charts start to find support, start to create a local low and start to rally, and ADA would start a third wave rally. So this is something we are watching for. However, at the moment, while I record this video, we don't really have a confirmed low. We are obviously observing and watching the market structure very closely for clues if ADA has indeed started this blue third wave to the upside. And then this third wave would be a third wave of a larger third wave. So it would be integrated into this larger third wave, which should eventually reach $5.27 plus. This is more of a long-term target. It will not get there like in a straight line. You know, there will be ups and downs, but so far I would say price action looks pretty constructive. The only thing I have to mention, if this low is already in, then the wave 2 that we're tracking here would have to be a so-called WXY structure, because this is not a 5-wave move down. Normally corrections are ABC structures. That's normally the most common pattern. So in this case, we would have needed to see one more low. Maybe that still happens. Okay, I cannot rule that out. But if the low is already in, it was a WXY pattern. Why is that important? Because this is not typically a high probability scenario. So we might want to see a little bit more evidence before we really confirm a low. So that's the update update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then make sure that you register on our website. You can do that completely for free and you get access to all of these Elliott Wave updates. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.